Let's install it and see how it works. I opted to install it in the basement where the gas furnaces and gas water heater are located. All you need to do is make 3 holes in the ceiling or wall, install the mounting plate, and attach the alarm to it. The installation took me just a couple of minutes. Since the device uses battery power and doesn't need to be wired. To test the device, press the test button. Immediately, a notification comes to the phone. Conveniently, I can turn off the signal through the app. Let's go outside and see if there's a notification. Yes, the alarm went off, and a notification came immediately, indicating the room where the incident occurred. If it were a real fire, I could have informed the fire department on the phone about the exact location of the fire. As I mentioned, notifications on the phone are absolutely free. You'll also receive notifications about low battery levels or any malfunctions in the device, so you'll always know if everything's okay with the device. The only paid feature is an automatic call to the rescue service when the alarm is triggered. The rescue service will call you to confirm that it's not a false alarm, and if they can't reach you, they will come out immediately. This is a useful function for cases when you're somewhere on vacation abroad. The device's lifespan is 10 years, just like regular smoke alarms, so it'll last a long time. Decide for yourself whether to replace your regular smoke alarms with these smart devices or install them additionally. The device is affordable, definitely worth its money, and there's a link in the description with a 10% discount. Stay safe.